Plugins are powerful tools, and they're also how most mixes get destroyed. More plugins does not mean better sound. In this video, I'll show you the only plugins you actually need, what each one is for, when to use them, and the mistakes that make mixes fall apart. You can do almost anything with just 5 types of plugins: EQ, compression, reverb, delay, saturation. Everything else is a variation of one of these. Key point: master these before buying anything else. Plugins should solve problems or enhance intention, not exist by default. Examples: EQ to remove problems first, compression to control dynamics, reverb and delay to create space. The simple truth: if you don't know why you're inserting a plugin, you probably don't need it. Most beginner mixes fail because everything is pushed too hard. Guidelines: small moves add up. Bypass often. Compare before and after. Key point: if you can hear the effect clearly, it's probably too much. When recording, keep plugins minimal or off entirely. During mixing, plugins become creative tools. Important note: you can't undo processing printed during recording. Quick hits: stacking plugins unnecessarily, chasing presets instead of listening, fixing bad recordings with plugins, ignoring gain staging. Key point: plugins polish, they don't rescue. Use fewer plugins with more intention, and your mixes will immediately improve. If you follow this series from start to finish, you'll have a home recording setup that actually works, not just one that looks good on Instagram. So that's your ultimate home studio starter kit. Smart gear, smart choices, and no wasted cash. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what your studio looks like. Catch you in the next one.